feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes.
Hi, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is toriamotsuka, and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the boho hairstyle with your natural hair. My hair is a 4C hair and with no added extensions. I've done some off camera already because it was at the back, and I wanted to show you guys a more detailed video on how I achieved this look. So I used water, leave-in conditioner, and my gel. Yes, so I'm going to bring you guys closer to show you how I'm doing it. So first I finger detangle my hair to stretch it out a little. My hair was in a twist before, to stretch it out for this hairstyle. For the other ones I've done, I've not added gel or conditioner to it, so I added one. Yes, this is how one came out. So I'm going to be adding it to this one to show you. So first I braid my hair into, let me see if I can bring it guys closer. Okay, I do my braids. I just make sure it's even down. So I like to bring my head downwards to give it a more flat look. Okay. So I'll continue with that braiding. Take out the first strand of hair. So I'm just going to continue braiding down the lengths of my hair. I'm going to twist the rest down. Okay, so I'm done with the braids. I'm done braiding the hair, but I've yet to put my conditioner and my gel on my curls to define them. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to put this hair in a pony so that I can start from the back. So let's do one on camera, then I'll come back later with the full hair done. So I'm going to be spraying this with a little bit of water first. I'm using my fingers to go through them to make sure that they have enough water, adding some more. Conditioner to give it a little bit more sleep. Also at my tips. Okay, then I'll go in with gel. So I'll come back when I'm done with everything, then I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay, hi guys, so this is the final look. The curls came out fine. I really love them. I'll see how they do after some days, but it was a good try. I really love them. I love them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me for more natural hair videos. My social media will be linked down below, so don't forget to check me out, and I'll see you guys next time.